Aishro Simpson, and I represent the Philippines.
So, what that you go into right now? How you feel right now?
Right now, I am so happy. I am so genuinely thankful for the organization and everything that we've gone to do today. So the first charity event that we did was with some children at Sharing Smiles, Spreading Love, and it was an incredible experience because you could just see the love that the organization had for them. The children were so nice. They wanted to take pictures and they were doing finger hearts. They were so sweet. And the organization here and all the girls are so kind, so friendly, so it just warms my heart completely.
Okay. So, what is the message that you bring
To the world. Thank you guys so much for supporting all of our girls. It means the world, obviously, but there are so many different cultures represented here, so many different religions, opinions, races, and ethnicities. So thank you for this opportunity that we all get to come together as one.
and last sentence for all the Philippines fans? I know that the Philippines fans are huge and they will support you a lot. So, what do you want to give to them to more support you in this journey?
Mabuhay Pilipinas! Laban tayo lahat! Thank you guys so much. Maraming salamat.
So atin pong napanood mga kapolitika itong exclusive na interview dito sa ating pambato sa Miss World 2026 na ginaganap sa bansang Vietnam. At itong panayam na ito ay panayam ng isang Vietnamese dito kay Asia Rose Simpson. So pinost nila ito dito sa kanilang social media and I believe na ito yung second day ng mga kaganapan dito sa Miss World at ngayon ay day 4 na dito sa kanyang labanan at ayon dito sa ating napag-alaman na schedule nila supposed to be is na-postpone daw mga kapolitika yung day 4 na activities ng mga delegates. The Miss World 2026 opening ceremony originally scheduled for today August 11 has been postponed by organizers to August 12, 2026 in Quang Ninh, Vietnam. There are no major public broadcast events listed for today as contestants adjust to the revised local itinerary. So, na-postpone yung supposed to be na opening ceremony ngayon at sashing ceremony ng Miss World 2026. At yung kanilang general rehearsal naman po is tomorrow morning at yung officially opening ceremony nila is 8 p.m. on August 12 at Halong Marina Sea Square, Bay Chai Ward. At I believe na napuntahan na po nila Chelsea Fernandez itong Marina Sea Square mga kapolitika nung competition nila dito sa Miss Cosmo 2025. So yun po yung pinaka-latest ngayon. Wala po activities ang mga candidate ngayon dito sa kanilang competition dahil na-postpone para bukas yung kailang opening ceremony at yung sashing ceremony ng mga candidates dito sa Vietnam. At aside from this mga kapolitika, sa atin po palang pag-uusapan yung follow-up doon sa ating na-mention earlier na sold na di umano itong major beauty pageants. So mainit ngayon na pinag-uusapan ng mga netizen at hinuhulaan kung ano bang pageant itong tinutukoy ni Luis Porteles dito sa kanyang post. So ayon pa nga dito sa isang sikat na vlogger at influencer na si Parade of Beauty, ang sabi niya ay Miss World daw itong binili at usap-usapan daw ito ngayon doon sa Vietnam. So rumored British entrepreneur and Nepali origin Dipendra Gurung is reportedly the new owner of Miss World. This rumor about him regarding Miss World dates back to 2022. He himself previously appeared on the media claiming to be the new owner of the Miss World beauty pageant. However, Global Beauties confirmed that Julia Morley denied it in 2023. So yun po yung post dito na according dito sa kilalang vlogger na si Parade of Beauty. At kung si Diva Star naman po yung tatanungin ay hindi daw Miss Universe yung nasold or binili na beauty pageant competition at malayong malayo ito sa mga hula or guess ng mga netizen kasi may mga nagsabi na nakapag down payment na daw itong si Chavit Singson noong January at sabi nila is baka si Bea Miranda ang kukurnahan dahil sa pagmamayari ni Chavit Singson at napakaingay ng kanyang pangalan ngayon. So ito daw nga mga rumors na ito, mga usaping ito ay hindi daw totoo mga kapolitika ayon dito sa kay Parade of Beauty at kay Diva Star. So sabi nga niya dito sa kanyang post 2 of the big 6 pageants are now owned by the Philippines. Clue, tigilan nyo na ang Miss Universe. Malayo pa yan sa katotohanan. Next slide please. Na ang ibig sabihin dito mga kapolitika ay hindi Miss Universe ang tinutukoy na nabili na or naibenta na beauty pageant competition. So it might be yung Miss International or Miss World daw kasi yung Miss Earth is dininay na ng CEO nitong carousel na hindi daw ang Miss Earth ang binenta or nasold. So dahil nga major pageant is ilan lang naman yan sila at malabo na Miss Supra kasi wala namang rumors na binibenta itong Miss Supranational na beauty pageant. So it could be Miss International or Miss World. Ito lang yung nagsisirculate ngayon dito sa mundo ng social media. Okay, so kahit ano pa man yan mga kapolitik, sa tingin ko ang pinakamainam natin gawin is hintayin na lang po natin yung official confirmation kung totoo man ito na merong major pageant na naibenta na or na-isold na, kasi minsan is parang cloud chasing lang ito mga kapolitika, minsan para lang pag-usapan, para may mag-trending na post at of course magre-react din yung mga pageant netizen. So minsan nagpapatrending lang sila kahit hindi naman totoo yung mga post nila, minsan ay ginagawa lang talaga nila yan for the sake of engagement. Okay, so yun po ang aking masasabi at maging reaksyon. So sa tingin nyo mga kapolitika, ano po ang pageant na ito na tinutukoy ni Luis Portelis na di umano ay naibenta na sa bagong may-ari? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At samantala, narito naman po ang ibang bahagi ng interview ni Asia Rose Simpson dito sa isang Vietnamese na pageant vlogger.
I'll support you in this journey.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! Laban tayo lahat! Thank you guys so much. Maraming salamat.
So, if I can ask you about the biggest achievement that you get for yourself, which one did you want to
That I've already achieved?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a fun one. So I am a children's author. I have written and illustrated 5 different children's books. One of them which has won 2nd place at a national competition. But also for Miss World, they had us bring an illustrated book to the competition, and so I was able to write and illustrate that book called Mabuhay Philippines. So that was one of my proudest accomplishments.
So, once again, can you say hello the name in the country? Like, what's your name with Miss World Philippines?
Sure. Mabuhay! I am Asia Rose Simpson, Miss World Philippines 2026.
Yesterday you came to Vietnam or today? If you own the best, if you own the best with it,